Hello, what's up, everyone? Mary Adele here, and you're welcome to Smart Skills Hub TV. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to speak with a Facebook representative, how to speak with a Facebook customer service representative so that you can actually have issues like ad account bans and restrictions, or your ad account got disabled, or any other kind of issue you have resolved. All right. Now, this is not guaranteed to work for all times, but it is also a good way to be able to put a face to the name Facebook or Meta. All right. And well, in times past, one of the times I've actually had my one of my ad accounts restricted. I actually spoke with, a Meta representative or a Facebook representative, right? And we were able to have a conversation. The person even on several occasions actually, but I'm trying to say that it is not all the time that issues you have with your ad account or with any other assets when it comes to Facebook can actually get resolved. But most of the times you want to do this when your ad account has been disabled and maybe you've sent in a review, you've sent in a request for a review and it was rejected, and you don't have any other option anymore, right? So it's just like speaking to someone and speaking to a human being that you can actually appeal to, all right? And this is what you actually want to do. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to actually achieve that, all right? Um, if you're new to this channel, kindly do subscribe to our channel. On this channel, we do tutorials and videos showing you how to leverage on the online space to make money online and also to increase your visibility as a business person or as an individual. So you can actually find videos around book publishing, around Facebook and Instagram ads, email marketing, WhatsApp marketing, and all what's not. All right, so let's get straight into it. So what you want to do, first of all, if probably your ad account has been restricted or disabled, or your ad account access has been restricted, and most times you probably have money inside and you don't want to lose the money. That's why you actually want to do this. All right, so the first thing you need to do, of course, is to log into your Facebook account, your Facebook profile, just as I am on my Facebook profile right now. And well, because I'm actually using a laptop, it's the interface may actually be different from yours, but you are actually advised to do this from a laptop anyways. All right, so if you're on your laptop screen, you're going to be seeing something like this. All right, you just click on this place where you're having your picture and then come to help and support. All right, so when you click on help and support, go on ahead to click on help center, and then it loads and brings you on to this interface. All right, so once you're here, you just need to scroll down. Okay, so yours may not actually load like this, all right? Saying with detected issues on your business account. Actually, I've had a lot of issues around restrictions and bans and all that. So that is why this is actually showing up. But if you've not had any issue in times past, or you may not actually get to see it like this, all right? But you're just going to be seeing something like this. So just scroll down and click on Visit Business Help Center. All right. Let's wait for it to load, and it takes us to the Business Help Center where we are going to now be able to speak to the Meta representative, all right? So right here, we are going to scroll down and see what we're going to get from here. So there are actually a lot of resources here, right? There are a lot of resources here that you can actually use. So in your spare time, you can actually still come up to read and get the needed support for whatever it is, for whatever issues you're actually having. All right. So once you're here, just scroll down and you'd see where it says find answers or contact support. All right. So just click on get started. And what next? Then it brings us here and scroll down and need more help with advertising. So you're going to be clicking on contact advertising support. All right. But first of all, what Facebook actually expects you to do is to actually look through all of these options, all right, and say that you're confused about something. You're supposed to actually look through and be able to troubleshoot whatever issues you're having. But our goal actually is to speak with someone and not just read some text that may not actually produce results for us, right? So you just scroll down here and click on contact advertising support, and let's see what happens next. Okay, guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to subscribe. If you've not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly do support us by subscribing to this channel and also turning on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we post similar videos like this, showing you how to do certain things that will sure help to, improve your business and all that. All right. So just scroll down and let's see what's next we get to do. So these are all the issues that I've actually requested help for in times past. So what you're seeing here, all of these things are actually ad account for different persons that I actually manage their businesses for. All right. So here it says, how can we help you? Okay, so if you've not yet actually been on a chat with them, you're not going to be seeing all of this. So these are actually issues that they've actually completed for me. All right. So but you're just going to scroll down and let's see. Select the assets you need help with. Okay. So your interface is going to be a bit different if you've not actually had any issues reported before. But let me just click on this my ad account and see how I can actually select the issue. But I think what you're going to be able to do once you come on this list is to search for an issue, all right, that you need help with. So you're just going to be seeing something like this immediately when you come on here. You're going to be seeing I need help with ad account admin permissions. I have a question about ad account spend limits and all that. All right. So just scroll down until you're able to see the issue that you want to be able to request help for. Here it says, I need help with my ad account settings. Okay. My ad account was hacked. I need help changing my billing threshold. So we are just going to be clicking on load more because what we are looking for is that we need help with our advertising assets. All right. So okay, my ad account is restricted from advertising due to a failure to confirm my account. So this is what you want to actually click on, and then you now be redirected to actually speak with a Meta Pro representative on Messenger actually. All right. I have questions about my ad budget. I have a question about the learning piece of ad delivery. So these are actually issues. These are common issues that a lot of us who run ads on Facebook would actually encounter once in a while. So if you actually come across such issues and you don't have answers for them, you can actually go through this process to get your issues resolved. All right. So we are just going to go ahead to click on my ad account is restricted from advertising due to a failure to confirm my account. All right. So let's see what happens next after we click on it. Okay. So once I click on it, we just wait for it to load and let's see what happens next. All right. So you are actually expected to read all of this and also see how by reading this you're able to resolve your issue. But this is still not what we actually want, right? So you just come down to this list and click on contact support. All right. And then so this is where you're now going to be redirected to speak with a Meta representative. So here it says provide information that will help us investigate. All right, so all you just need to do is to enter the issue you're facing, like just explain it the way it is. All right, and this is where you actually get the chance to appeal. All right, you get the chance to appeal to a human being. All right, so you know that most of the times when you submit a request for review, it's more like you're speaking to a robot, and it's tiring really. But from this place you can actually get to speak to someone who is likely to help you. So after you've stated all the issues you've had here, you just come to this place where it says select file and then click on select file, and then you can actually select the file that you want to use. Let's say for instance you have been able to get a screenshot of your ad account and all the restrictions. You know how that when your ad account has been restricted, you get all these messages, all these the red padlock that they just put on your account. And when you go to account quality, you also see all of the restrictions. All right, so you can actually screenshot that because it gives a clearer description of what has happened to your account. So you just get to select click on select file and then send that file to them. So another thing you also now need to do is to enter your phone number, and you want to ensure that this phone number is the one associated with your account, your Facebook profile, and that when they want to reach you on phone, they can also reach you, because the likelihood is there that when you start to speak with the Meta representative, they might want to actually get on a call with you. All right. So you want to put a number that they can actually get through to you with, that they can then go on ahead to speak with you with. Then here you would also need to now confirm your email address. Usually this email address has to be the one that is associated with your with your Facebook profile. All right. So let me just do something quickly. Okay, right now I don't want to actually go on to speak with them. So I'm just going to be showing you what is going to happen when immediately you input all of this information and you click on start chat. All right. So I really don't want to start any chat because I don't exactly have any issue that I want them to help me resolve right now. All right, but once you input all of this information, you're just going to be clicking on start chat, and I'm going to be showing you a recent chat I had with them on Messenger. All right, so I'm just going to be going to my Messenger and I'm going to be showing you a recent chat that I had with them. If I can, okay, so this is Facebook Business Support, and that was actually yesterday that I had this chat with them. So I'm just going to be showing you through all the information we, or all the chats that we had yesterday. So first of all, when you okay, okay. So basically this chat thread has actually been all the conversations I've had with them in times past. But let me just show you the one we had yesterday. All right. Okay. So this was the one we had yesterday when I said hello, and then okay, so sorry, please. This was actually where it started from, where they said when I click on start chat, you know, what happens is that they take you to they take you to Messenger, where you get an automated response from a chatbot actually. But then the chatbot now tells you that okay, it looks like the quickest way to answer your question is to transfer you to an agent who can help you. They'll be with you within a few minutes. Then you now get to click on chat with agent, and then you know, they now tell you, okay, we are transferring you to an agent who can help you. All right. So after a while, the person now comes on and then starts to chat with you. So in at this point, you're actually chatting with a real human agent and not a chatbot anymore. All right. So you can now go on ahead to chat with them and tell them what the issue you're facing is. You want to ensure that you put in as much humanity as possible because they are human beings, and even though they are not Africans, right? Most of them are not Africans, they are not Nigerians. Most of them are from outside the country. They are speaking, if you're a Nigerian, right? They are not Nigerians, they are actually Americans or Indians or whatever. Though I've not been able to speak with a Nigerian before, although they actually have Nigerian representatives. And in fact, there was a time I actually was able to request a call with a Nigerian who says he's going to be like my account officer or something like that. All right. So it was actually a very good conversation. It was very, very helpful. So you 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 get to actually speak with this person, and I think that at some point they will tell you that they want to get on a call with you so that it can actually be easier for them to help you resolve your issue. Just go on ahead to do all that they ask you to do, and you want to ensure that you're able to persuade them as much as you can to resolve your issue. All right. So I hope this actually helps you. And I hope that by doing this, you're able to get your ad account reinstated, because trust me, it can be really very painful when you get your ad account restricted or disabled for whatever reason. Because the thing is that you really cannot it's not very easy to actually abide by Facebook's advertising policies, right? But when such happens, one of the ways you want to actually um um one of the things you want to actually do to see how you can actually recover your ad account, especially if you have funds inside, is to speak with an ad or to speak with a Facebook or Meta representative. All right. Another thing you can also do also is to request a review. But if the review process is not going the way you want to actually do this. All right. All right, guys. So you also want to ensure that you read before you actually start to run ads on Facebook. You want to read Facebook as an advertising policy and see how you can actually, keep to their advertising policies um and not, get them to restrict your ad account all the time. So this is where I'm going to be drawing the curtain for this tutorial today. I hope this has really been very, very helpful. And well, if it has been very helpful, which I know it actually has, please do not hesitate to give this video a like so that YouTube can also show it to more people who would be interested in getting this kind of help that you've been able to get through this video. All right. Thank you so very much for staying tuned. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we are still young and we are trying to grow. All right. So please kindly do subscribe to our channel and so that we can show you more of these kind of videos showing you how to actually take advantage of the online space to drive your business goals and to actually achieve the results that you're looking to achieve with your business in the online space. All right. So thank you so very much and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.